Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your account on AlcottHR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar type in AlcottHR login. As the search result, you can see on the first option portal login of AlcottHR. Click on the link. It will take you to the official website of AlcottHR. If you are employee or manager, click on the enter button underneath employee manager or login. And if you are client, click on the enter button underneath client user login. Once you do that, it will take you to the login portal. Over here, enter the username of your account. Once you do that, click on next button. It will redirect you to the password section and over there enter your password and click on login button. You will be logged into your AlcottHR account. And if you are a new user, click on register a new account over here to create an account. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.